So guys, it's a new tutorial video, and in this video guys, I'll be showing you how you can actually do what in with your direct link in Adsterra. Remember my first video, which is up here, is how to create an Adsterra account. Yes, but in this video guys, I will show you how you can actually in with your direct link you created in Adsterra. So as you can see here, I am having 0.25 cents here in my account. So to prove that this stuff is not a screenshot, let me refresh my page and show you guys again. Good. So as you can see, it has refreshed and I'm still having the 0.24. so it's not scam or it's not fake. Good. So if you are new to my channel, I am begging you subscribe. Yes, because in this channel I teach people how to do how to make massive money with their smartphone. Yes, with your smartphone. You heard me right. Good. So let's just move into today's tutorial. So for you to do that, next you need to do is this: go to your direct links, which is here. Look closely, you will see it here. I've told you how to generate direct link, and if you don't know how to generate direct link, I will link the video on how to generate direct link in my comment section, so do well to click and watch the video. Thank you. So you click on this direct link you are seeing here. Let me zoom it so you see it. Can you see the direct link? So once you click on this direct link, it will redirect you to all your links. So as you can see, these are my links. Do you see that? So for the sake of this tutorial, I will be using this last link. So if you should click on statistics on this link I've not made any money from this link. So as you can see, everything is just 0. Do you see that? Revenue is 0. Look at it. The revenue is 0. The CPM is 0. The CTR is 0. Clicks is 0. So this is the link I will be using. So all you need to do now is this. Let me just go back and copy that particular direct link. Good. So all you need to do is just to click on this copy you are seeing here. Click on this copy you are seeing here. You see that? So once you click on this copy, you have copied the link. I've copied the link. Good. So all you need to do now is just go to your Chrome browser and open a new tab. So once you open a new tab, this is the tab I will be using. So once you open a new tab, good. So once you open a new tab, you type what? Sorry. So once you open a new tab, you search for what? Open multiple URL. This is what you will search on Google. So once you search this on Google, this is open multiple URL. So let me just do it so you see what I'm saying. Go to your listing, then type multiple URL opener. So once you search for multiple URL opener, let me show you the one you will be clicking. Then you locate this part. So this is the link you will click. This one. Use the symbol to recognize it. So once you click on this is what you will see. So that's what you are seeing on my previous tab that I opened. Good. Now so from here, all you need to do is this: you paste. Now if you should read this thing carefully, I say please insert bulk website URL in below text area and click on on new button. Do you see that? So the new button you have to click is go now. Do you understand? Some chose new button, while some show go now. So once you come to this part, now you click here, then you paste that link. So this is one. All you need to do is just be pasting the link. Two, you can paste as many as you can, like as many as you can. Just be pasting the link and be going. Paste the link. Then now look at what I want to do. Click on this. So copy all the link. You see that? You copy. Then still go down. You paste the copied link. Go down. You paste again. Go down. Just be pasting the link. Paste as many as you can. Just paste the link. Be pasting the link. Just continue with your pasting. Keep on pasting the link. Paste as many as you can. There is no limit to you pasting link here. So just be pasting your link. Keep on pasting the link. Like paste the link like you are dying today, because the number of link you are able to open or the number of impression you are able to get determines the amount you will be making with this Adsterra direct link. So paste as many as you can. So keep on pasting, paste as many as you can, paste as many as you can, paste as many as you can. Just keep on pasting the link. So without being told now, I've pasted more than 100 links here. Do you understand? So after you've pasted your link, you click on go now. So now can you see all the links are opening? So all you need to do is just to keep your phone, or you hold your phone, and make sure you have a very good network for you to be able to do or to open all this link on your mobile phone. So as you can see, my previous tab is 28, so those tabs will be added here. Then you will see the amount of tab that I have been able to open using that multiple URL opener. Good. So let's exercise patience, guys. So at this point, I'm begging you, if you are still here new, you've not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, turn on notification sign. It is very important. Just click on wait. So then after that, as you can see, it's going. So let's exercise patience, guys. Let's exercise patience. Let's exercise patience. Okay, some of the links are opening already. Some of the links are opening. Are you seeing that? Some of the links are opening. And don't forget we have only but 0.24 cents. Yes, in our Adsterra account we have only but 0.24 cents in our Adsterra account. So guys, let's see. Okay, this one has opened, this one has opened, this one has opened. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. I guess my data is low. So after this point, now next you need to do is this, guys. So go back to your Adsterra account. Let's see the impression we have gotten so far. So let's go back to our Adsterra account. Just go back to your Adsterra account. Let me refresh and see if it will open.